Um, Hi. So our game is Cthulhu Wants Me. We've been working on this game for the past three months. We plan to submit it by December. My name is Carpio, and my team involves both programmer and artists. With Alex, our C# programmer, Masha, our concept artist, and concept artist and character artist, and Thomas, our 3D character game artist. So I'll be presenting you to how about the game overview. So Cthulhu Wants Me is a stylized 3D top-down action wave-based hacking slash game in the Lovecraft setting that dives more into the combat experience for the player to kind of enjoy for PC platforms. This is made in Unity, and one of our target audience is for the casual players. We wanted to make sure that it ranged from 12 plus and above. As well as that, we want to focus on the Lovecrafting fans as well. I will be presenting you the gameplay trailer now. That was the game trailer for Cthulhu Wants Me. So what gave up pretty much our inspiration? We looked at into the art style of League of Legends, the wave-based horde game of Kingdom Fall 2, and the roguelike game Hades for our inspiration that kind of help us form the shape of the vision of the game we're trying to go for. So part of our gameplay, we wanted to focus on 3D game mechanics, which is one of our free game mechanics is having different type of enemy types of the within the Lovecraft universe, completing several certain objectives, so which includes defeating all Cthulhu's or just defeating every enemies, and an upgrade boon system similar to Hades, where we have a stubborn, aggressive, and a lightweighter that hopes to achieve the given different play styles for the player. Within part of the unique selling points, we believe that the hand-painted and comic-tuned shader style gives a unique attention to player interest and stands out with our game. The engaging combat experience that allows different enemies, upgrades, and variety of game flow. And the Lovecraft setting with the feel and atmosphere and design to try attempt to immerse the player into the universe and allow them to explore what they can be able to find. So, as mentioned, my name is Kai Carpio. I've been working mostly as the lead game designer within this team. I did quite a lot of different roles within the 3 months, which would be basically team leading team and some assignments and breakdowns to make sure everyone was going in fit, working on design documents, block out levels and UI layouts, gameplay balances, game flow, progression systems of how the player kind of feels, the usability to make sure everything kind of feels nice when the players are playing the game, some UX wireframe, some UX wireframe designs to get the general idea how the UI would kind of look and respond, the implementation to assets into Unity, rigging setups, and numerous of playtest sessions that I've worked on. I'll be handing the next slide to Masha now.
Hello everyone, my name is Masha and I am honored to share with you my contribution to our project. As a 3D plus 2D character artist who created most of the visual parts of our game, The work began with the conception of the game's sketches. My goal was to create unique game style using contrast of bright colors and dark Lovecraft universe, using unusual shapes and proper color palette. I created the very face of our game, the logo, and the backgrounds. All 3D characters were created by me using an industry standard pipeline with proper topology for animation. Textures for them were fully hand painted. Additionally, I made hand painted textures for props using mix of D and 3D techniques. My main challenge was in shaping and creating visual identity for our Cthulhu inspired game that can become extraordinary and unique product. Thank you for attention.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a programmer at Team 1. I'm responsible for creating gameplay features and mechanics, setting up toon shaders, while giving our designer ability to change and tweak all possible settings. During this project, I was constantly learning and gaining insight in creating gameplay mechanics, at the same time making sure to keep my code maintainable, modular, and easy to use. The project was architectured using solid principles, vContainer for dependency injection, and Unitask for asynchronous workflow. Thank you for your attention.
Thomas worked on working on the modular kit setups that kind of supported me on doing the blockout layouts, and even with the textures and models have been set up. He provided us with an assets list of requirements that helped on my management skills and developed a lot of insights of how things were kind of worked out. UV layouts, trim sheets that actually supported a lot on the models when it came to smaller props, assets implementations to Unity, and even setting up prefabs to save a lot of development time into the project. So our purpose was just to create a game with working with a team. We all wanted to practice and develop our skills, as we kind of discussed earlier before, and we want to at least key highlight our skills on what is potentially possible to work with the short amount of time frame we could do with a team. And at the same time, just to have fun as we do it. As for the future, how our game will go for, we plan to release the game on itch.io on December the 1st, and hope to see how things will go from there. Until then, thank you for listening and tuning in.